How to redeem Amazon Prime promo code. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can apply Amazon Prime promo code. For this, you want to open any web browser. Once you have open the web browser, you want to head over to amazon.com. Now, make sure to sign into your account. After you have signed into your account, you want to scroll down and find the items you want to purchase. Then click on that and add those items to your cart. After that, you want to click on the cart icon and then click on the proceed to check out option. Now on the next page, you will have to enter some details. Start by entering your shipping address. Once you have entered that, next step is to choose your payment method. Select your preferred payment method. Now, on this box, you have the option to enter a gift card, voucher, or promotional code. Go ahead and enter the promo code. After that, click on the apply option. If the promo code you have entered is valid, it will be successfully redeemed. Now, you want to complete the rest of the process and then place your order. And in this way, you can redeem the Amazon Prime promo code. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.